Aw, what a happy family photo. Though it needs a little updating. What with your new stepdad? Oh, don't cry. You're still Daddy's little girl. Looks like it's time to get crafty. Well then, we'll just need to make one. Soon we'll have our new castle drawbridge. Next up, we're gonna need some rope. Thank you. Now attach it to the door. Hook it back to the castle so you can pull it back up. Now we're gonna need a sponge. Oh, I'm sure he won't mind. Dip it in some paint and you can make a brick design. Ooh, someone's hungry. Don't worry, he's part goat. And we've got a cloud stencil. Just add some spray paint and voila! Now, all the best castles have princesses. Ditch the face and anyone can be a princess. On the other side, grab some brushes. Tape them together to save some time. Use a bunch of colors and draw some rainbows on the wall. Hey, why don't you put your face in here? Don't worry, you never looked better. Told ya, anyone can be a princess. Ooh, a spare tire. We could use this too. Oh, how do you stop this thing? What luck! It comes with spray paint. Let's add a nice base. Now for some nice pink frosting. To make our very own giant donut. Now let's add some toppings. The middle could use something on top. So we can add some more candy. You can never have too much candy. Why don't we spread it around? I think we've earned a little snack break. Wait, inspiration strikes! Let's use these twinkle lights. Store it in a bowl. And with this special cover, we've got our very own light show. Look at all this colored paper. Maybe we could use it. Fold it up and add around a bowl. Now we're gonna need a pillow. Or, more specifically, the stuffing. Add it inside the paper cup. And add some decorations on the side. And sprinkles on top. We've got a cupcake with a cherry on top. Have a seat and a nice snack, too. Now we need some pieces of fabric. Hey, anyone feel a draft in here? Sew some stuffing inside, kind of like a dumpling. Make a bunch of these until we get a rainbow. Try it out. This rug's so soft, you can practically sleep on it. Not so great with a hula hoop? Well, we can put it to better use. Thanks, I guess. Whoops, what's that? It's a bunch of streamers. Let's tie it around the hoop. Now hang it up, and you've got rainbow curtains. Careful not to get tangled up. Now we're gonna need a TP roll. Calm down, you can keep the TP. All we need is the roll. Let's dip it in some paint. And add some legs on the side. Add a head on top, and it's a unicorn. Of course, it still needs a tail. Let's make a whole herd flying in the sky. I think it's about lunchtime. Pizza? Uh-oh, there's just one slice left. Nothing a little dance-off can't solve. I mean, what can't it solve? Get ready to boogie. Come on, shake that groove thing. Oh, it's neck and neck. Well, that solves the pizza problem. Don't really care for the photo, but that is one really nice frame. Add rainbow ribbons and hang it up. And add some colorful push pins too. You can use it to hang up all your loose accessories. I'm starting to think he's not very nice. Poor little pony. We'll help you. Some glue will fix you up. And maybe you can help us too. We'll need these. Fill the jar with glitter. Now pour in some liquid. Add the pony with the lid on tight. It's a pony snow globe. Shake it up. Look, it even comes in unicorn. Aw, what a pretty picture. Oh, everyone's a critic. Well, maybe there's some way we can put it back together. Or maybe make something totally new. A few finishing touches, and it's a stained glass window. Wow, it really lets the light in. Now let's get a few more supplies. Ooh, like all of these pool noodles. Let's bend the top into a circle. Hey, can we borrow some thread? We can use it to bind it into place. Now let's add some eyes. And a few other features. It's your brand new hobby horse. All the fun of a real horse with none of the mess. Now let's blow up a rainbow pool. we've got the perfect thing to fill it up. A bunch of rainbow balls. It's a shame not to try it out first. Almost time for the big surprise. Just need to put the plug in. Look, it's your brand new pretty pink castle. Uh-oh, looks like we've got dragons. Never fear, your knight in shining armor will save the day. Quick, turn on the AC. Wait, pop those balloons. It's the source of his power. And Dad saves the day. Now let's take a look inside. Remember, it's all for you. Take a moment to take it all in. Ooh, stick your face in there. See? You really are a princess. You even have ponies and crystal balls. And look at that candy buffet. Not to mention that giant cupcake. It's the best seat in the house. Wow, it's like being in the skies. Look, flying horses with removable tails. And a rainbow bubble carpet. There's even a bunch of bracelets and hair clips just for you. This window shines a rainbow right on you. And don't forget our tower with a view.
Wow!
You can even see the stars up here. Now, Princess, your steed awaits. It's time to go riding. And who can say no to a dip in the ball pit? This princess is the queen of her castle.